Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. We are posting part 2 of our guide on replacing your combination switch assembly. In this segment, we'll show you how to install the new assembly and ensure everything functions correctly. Let's get started. Testing the new combination switch assembly. After replacing the combination switch assembly, it's crucial to test its functionality to ensure proper operation. Here's how you can test the new assembly. Turn on the vehicle's ignition and test each function of the combination switch, including turn signals, headlights, and windshield wipers. Use a multimeter to check the electrical connections and confirm that the signals are reaching the assembly correctly. Verify that all features of the combination switch assembly are working as intended before taking your vehicle back on the road. By following these steps and conducting thorough testing, you can successfully replace the combination switch assembly in your vehicle and ensure that all functions are working correctly. D versus professional replacement. When it comes to replacing a combination switch assembly, you might find yourself pondering whether to tackle the task on your own or hire a professional. Each approach has its set of advantages and drawbacks that should be considered before making a decision. Pros and cons of D replacement. Pros of D replacement. 1. Cost-effective. One of the primary benefits of opting for a do-it-yourself replacement is the potential cost savings. By eliminating labor expenses, you can significantly reduce the overall cost of the replacement. 2. Sense of accomplishment. Successfully replacing the combination switch assembly on your own can provide a sense of achievement and empowerment. It allows you to take control of your vehicle maintenance. 3. Flexibility. DIY replacement grants you the flexibility to work at your own pace and on your schedule. You can choose the time and place that best suits your needs without relying on a professional's availability. Cons of D replacement. 1. Skill requirement. Replacing a combination switch assembly requires a certain level of technical skill and knowledge. Without proper expertise, you may risk damaging other components or improperly installing the new assembly. 2. Time-consuming. DIY replacement can be time-consuming, especially if you are not familiar with the process. It may take longer to complete the task compared to a professional who is experienced and efficient. 3. Warranty concerns. If something goes wrong during a DIY replacement, you could void the manufacturer's warranty on the part or create additional issues that may not be covered by insurance. Advantages of professional replacement. 1. Expertise. Hiring a professional ensures that the replacement is done correctly by someone with the necessary skills and experience. Professionals are trained to handle such tasks efficiently and accurately. 2. Time saving. Professionals are adept at performing replacements quickly and efficiently. They can get the job done in a fraction of the time it might take an inexperienced individual. 3. Warranty coverage. Opting for professional replacement often comes with a guarantee or warranty on the work performed. This can provide peace of mind knowing that you are covered in case of any issues post-replacement. Cost considerations and where to source replacement parts. When it comes to replacing combination switch assemblies in vehicles, understanding the cost considerations and knowing where to source reliable replacement parts are crucial aspects to consider. Here we delve into the factors that affect the cost of replacement and highlight reliable sources for quality replacement parts. Factors affecting the cost of replacement. 1. Vehicle make and model. The make and model of your vehicle play a significant role in determining the cost of a combination switch assembly replacement. Parts for luxury or less common vehicles may be more expensive compared to those for mass-produced models. 2. Quality of parts. Opting for OEM, original equipment manufacturer, parts can be pricier than aftermarket alternatives. However, OEM parts ensure compatibility and quality, potentially saving you money in the long run. 3. Labor costs. The labor charges for replacing a combination switch assembly can vary based on the complexity of the job, the region you are in, and the expertise of the mechanic. Getting quotes from different service centers can help you find the best deal. 4. Additional repairs. Sometimes, issues with the combination switch assembly may be accompanied by other electrical problems that need to be addressed. This can impact the overall cost of the replacement. Reliable sources for quality replacement parts. 1. Dealerships. Your vehicle's manufacturer dealership is a reliable source for OEM replacement parts. Though these parts may come at a premium, they ensure compatibility and quality. 2. Online retailers. Many online platforms specialize in selling automotive parts, offering a wide range of options at competitive prices. Ensure the seller is reputable and provides warranties on their products. 3. Local auto parts stores. Local auto parts stores can be a convenient option for purchasing replacement parts quickly. While the selection may be limited, they often stock common components like combination switch assemblies. 4. Salvage yards. Salvage yards are treasure troves for finding used OEM parts at significantly lower prices. However, inspect the parts carefully for any damage or wear before making a purchase. By considering these cost factors and exploring reliable sources for replacement parts, you can make an informed decision when replacing your vehicle's combination switch assembly. Ensuring safety and functionality after replacement. After installing a new combination switch assembly, ensuring both safety and proper functionality is crucial. Follow these tips for a successful replacement process. Tips for proper installation. 1. Consult the manual. Before starting the installation, carefully read through the manufacturer's manual to understand the specific steps required for your vehicle. 2. Disconnect the battery. Ensure your safety by disconnecting the battery to prevent any electrical mishaps during the replacement process. 3. Organize your tools. Gather all the necessary tools and keep them organized for easy access. This can help streamline the installation and prevent any delays. 4. Double-check connections. Before finalizing the installation, double-check all the connections to ensure everything is properly secured and in place. 5. Test the switch before finalizing. Test the switch functionality before closing everything up to avoid the hassle of dismantling everything in case of any issues. Testing procedures post-replacement. 1. Check electrical connections. After installation, test all electrical connections to ensure they are secure and functioning correctly. 2. Test all functions. Test each function of the combination switch, including turn signals, headlights, wipers, and any other controls to verify they are working properly. 3. Verify safety features. Double-check safety features such as hazard lights and horns to guarantee they are operational post-replacement. 4. Road test. Take your vehicle for a short drive to test the combination switch under real-world conditions and ensure its functionality in different scenarios. 5. Final inspection. After testing, conduct a final inspection to confirm that the combination switch assembly replacement was successful and that all functions are working as intended. Finally, the combination switch assembly in your vehicle plays a crucial role in ensuring your safety and the overall performance of your car. Promptly addressing any issues with this component is essential to maintain optimal functionality. A well-functioning combination switch assembly not only enhances your driving experience but also contributes to the safety of you and your passengers on the road. Don't overlook the importance of proper maintenance and timely replacement when needed. Your diligence in addressing these issues will go a long way in keeping your vehicle running smoothly and safely. Thanks for joining us in part 2 of our combination switch assembly replacement guide. We hope this tutorial helped upgrade your vehicle's controls. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.